Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I think it's been about maybe 3 or 4 months since I last showed you my crypto.com account. I was trying to debate whether I should go ahead and sell or just hold on to it. So I'm going to show you what I did. You know, the last video, I think my crypto was down like 65%. So I'm going to show you where it's at right now. If you want to buy it, it's low right now. If not, a lot of people don't trust this crypto.com, and a lot of people promote this, and I don't know why I'm not promoting this. I'm gonna just show you what's actually going on with my account. So you can make the decision if you want to get into crypto.com and purchase some cryptocurrency or not. But if you do, I'm gonna leave a link down there at the bottom to where you can get $25, and I can also get $25 for signing up. All right, here you go. Here go what my account looked like, and I'm gonna walk you through it. Okay, I'm gonna open my crypto.com account, and I'm gonna show you where it's at today. Today is October the 21st, 2022. Okay, we're gonna open the crypto.com. As you can see, this is my balance right now. It's $12,817. And it's actually down almost 68, 69% from where I started at. So I bought it at 30 something cents a share, and it's down to almost, I think maybe it's, let's look at it. I think it's at 11 cents. Oh, it's at almost 11 cents, at 10 cents. So you can see it fluctuates back and forth. So I'm gonna hit account down here at the bottom, and I'm gonna show you my wallet. I'm gonna click on my wallet. You see I got the Chronos, that's the crypto, and it's still staked. I got Shiba, Ethereum, Dogecoin. It's all down, everything's down. So I'm gonna go to my Chronos. I'm gonna click on it. And as you can see, I'm gonna move up. I still got 112,990 CROs. And you can unstake. I can unstake these. You see, I still got it staked. I can unstake and get my $11,800, but I'm gonna just leave it there. I'm gonna show you how to unstake. The only thing you have to do is click here on the unstake, and it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to unstake? And you can put, I'm sure to unstake, or you keep staking. But if you unstake, you're going to lose a lot of benefits, which your travel, entertainment, 2% additional, car rewards, 8%. It used to be 12%, but they changed it to 8%. And your rates at when you buy stuff, you get cash back on that. You also get Amazon free, and you also get Spotify, and it's some more things you can get free when you have your stuff staked. So if I want to unstake, I can hit the button there, but I'm gonna just keep it staked for a little while. I may unstake it next week, next month, next year. You guys tell me what you think. Should I go ahead and unstake this and take my money out, or just let it ride? I done lost about 68, 69%, almost 70%. So you guys could get it 70% cheaper than what I bought it for. And like I said, if you want to purchase some, just look in the description below. Or if you want to sign up for the crypto.com, and you don't have to stake 40,000, you can stake 4,000, or I think you could stake 400, but it's different things you can do with this. But anyway, I'm going to keep staking. So I'm going to click that keep staking, and we're going to go back to my page. So I'm still getting my Amazon and Spotify, and like whenever we travel, we can go to these little spots they have in the airport lounges. But anyway, this is what I have right now. What you guys think? Should I just stay in and see what's going to happen, or should I just unstake this and get out of it? All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.